And this is going to be a 1959 Bel
Okay.
Air versus a 2009 Chevy Malibu. Ooh.
Dude, the whole
Oh,
roof line just came down.
ouch.
How are you gonna do that to a look at that Bel Air? I mean, that thing's cherry. They just
Not anymore.
annihilated it.
Oh, his face
Oh,
is crunched in between the
yeah.
dashboard and the roof. Oh my gosh. Watch this. Oh, look at the glass.
Yeah. You
The
ain't coming back
glass.
from that.
Oh, here we go. Oh, you're
Dude,
done. No airbag.
yeah.
It's
That's like
over.
that's like something out of a horror movie, man.
It's not good. I tell people the newer cars are safer. It's no comparison. So this is the new car. Boop. It's your
Ah,
airbag.
dude, you didn't even feel it. You didn't even notice it.
Yeah. So you notice how the glass didn't crack? Like the
Yeah,
glass was fine.
yeah. Yeah, older cars, man. I mean, you just hear horror stories about just do you have any crash test videos of older cars hitting older cars?
Oh no,
Probably
but
not anymore.
well, they did probably both be destroyed.
Well, yeah, it's just because you always hear, oh, well, the good old days, you made our cars out of steel, and they didn't, dent so easily. It's like, well, you also pretty much died every time you got in an accident. I mean,
Yeah.
you were dead. It's like the car might have been okay, but you were dead.
Yep.
It just,
Yeah, that's newer cars are made so that the car will be destroyed and you will not be destroyed. So long as you don't get a little tiny car